Hey guys, this is Gabriel Lorenzi, creator of the blog Grupo Dicas, one of the biggest travel blogs in the world, and today we are going to talk about the international travel insurance that is mandatory for Switzerland. People, do not fail to take one, but we will explain everything here. What are the requirements, where to hire it for the lowest price of all. It's a much cheaper place, you will save a lot, which are the best insurance companies, what you need to pay attention to, all the tips you need. So enjoy the video guys, don't forget to give us that like, subscribe to the channel because that really helps us a lot, and buckle up. So let's go guys, being very direct, okay, the international travel insurance, for those who don't know, is an insurance that you pay for. It's very cheap, okay guys. People get scared and think that it will be expensive because it covers a lot of things. It's an insurance that covers you for any kind of medical assistance. If you break your arm, have a stomachache, are hospitalized, these costs, for those who don't know, abroad are a fortune and are in euros there, yes, in Swiss francs. So you have an absurd expense and end up compromising your ruining your trip. So in Europe they chose to make it mandatory. So yes, it's mandatory. All countries that are within the Schengen Treaty, which is almost all of Europe, you need to have insurance. What's the minimum personal requirements? The medical assistant has to have a medical assistance coverage of at least 30,000 euros, which is the coverage you can walk around most any country in Europe without any problem, but you need to take out insurance with this coverage. So everyone's first question is, where do I find it? Which is the best insurance company, which is the best insurance, what is the cheapest? So people's first question is, where do I hire? What's the best insurance companies? Guys, the best tip for you, save a lot of money, is the following. There are many good insurance companies in the market, quite a lot. So what do? We found out 4 or 5 years ago that we only use this website. It's a great website that compares travel insurance among these major insurance companies, and it shows you all the options and all the prices. You will soon find the cheapest, the best, and personally it's cheaper than the insurance companies themselves. If you go to see, for example, the price of an insurance policy that you would find with some insurer, if you go directly to the website, it will be more expensive. If you go to a travel agency, it will cost twice as much. And why? They are one of the biggest comparators in the world, so they have a very strong negotiation with the insurance companies, and they want to lower the price to be able to compete with the others. So it's the cheapest place of all. I'm going to leave it here below. Who wants to open it now? I'll leave the link of this comparator here in the video description, and in the first fixed comment you will see that's very cheap. It's very good. Their service is excellent. You will get all your questions answered, ask everything there, and you can do it quickly. It's very cheap. For you to have an idea, I just did a research for a 10-day trip considering from October 1st to October 10th. The insurance does not vary, okay guys, it's a fixed price any time of the year, and it's per day. So the more days you stay on your trip, the more expensive it will be. It's proportional to the days of traveling. So you have to put the date you're leaving your flight and the date of your return to your country. So for you to have an idea, here for a 10-day trip in October, a very good insurance with 50,000 euros of medical assistance coverage, which covers you for all these costs if you have any. It rarely happens, but it can happen. Lost luggage, it's 1,000 euro coverage too. You will pay only 27 euros, guys. It's very cheap indeed, and good insurance, okay guys. And they are from two. I am finding here this value for 2 good insurance companies, okay guys, in the market. So it's a very good insurance, very cheap. So use the comparator. The best insurance companies that have the highest outputs, what are they? They are Affinity, My Travel Assist, there's also Travel Ace, which is good, Assist Card, Intermac, Assistance. There are several. What's my tip? Go to Google, review the websites and the ratings, enter the name, do a research, then you can compare one with the other above a score of 7. For this segment, it's already very good. The insurance is already very good, so do a quick search. But all of this that appear, people have already passed through the filter and they have only good companies and accredited within the website, so all of them are very reliable. And guys, any questions you may have, send them to us because we really like to help, right? Sometimes it's taking 2-3 days to answer because there are many messages, but we always try to help. And it's even easier, add me on @PaiLorenzi on Instagram, send me a direct message that I really try to help, and take the time to follow us because we are always traveling around the world, offering travel tips in a very cool way and showing the family routine for little ones that are a blast. And we also have a new channel, the Familia Lorenzi, so if you can folks, sign up and give us a hand. Watch it because we show our routine here at home, the Disney parks, our trips. It's very cool. Follow us there. I think you're going to like it. And together with this link here, guys, I'm going to leave several other links that help you save a lot. There is the same comparator, it's another company, but it works the same way for the car rental. There is the train site that's the biggest in Europe for you to buy cheaper and in advance. The train tickets or the travel SIM card, which is the pass that you can use during your whole trip. It's on the website here below, the website that sells all the tickets and excursions much cheaper than there at the time and in the currency of your country. So take a look here too. The hotels that we recommended that we found sensational, that were very good, are all listed here below. Take a look at the video description here, use it as a guide to plan your trip because it has all the best websites that we discovered there over time and that we always use to organize our trips in the best and cheapest way possible, guys. So check it out, it's going to be a good guide for you to plan your whole trip yourself. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel because that really helps us a lot. And be sure to watch the other videos that are very good. The one on how to travel cheaply to Switzerland, it's sensational. I'll leave it up here for you to watch. It teaches you how to assemble the whole trip, saving a lot on everything, like the travel insurance one. There are at least 10 different tips, and below the playlist with all the other videos from Switzerland for you to watch. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much and have nice trips.